Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to look at how to use the grouping functionality of the table feature in Google Spreadsheets. So, suppose you have a set of data in Google Spreadsheet with the data repeated. So, if you look at the example that I'm showing on the screen here, I have company name, product, and price in three different columns, and the company name is repeated, as you can see. And let's say you're looking for a way to you know a group or arrange the same data together so that it becomes easier for you to refer to. So in my case, let's say if I want to arrange or group the similar companies together so that I can look at all its products together, then what I can do is, one way is to apply the filter. So you apply filter in the first row and then choose one company and see all its products. That is a traditional method that a lot of us know. Another way is go to format and click on this convert to table, by which your entire data will be converted into a nice looking table like this. And here you have a calculator kind of an icon on the top, clicking on which it allows you to group. So if I say group by company, what it is going to do is it's going to group all the same companies together and list all its corresponding products next to it, so that it becomes easier for me to refer to the data. It's more easier and elegant way of referring to data, so you can try that out.